Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more free-for-all matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, tailor your loadout to the map and playstyle, ensuring you have a good balance of weapons and equipment. Learn the layout of the map, including spawn points, popular camping spots, and high-traffic areas. Sound cues are crucial in free-for-all matches. Invest in a quality headphone to hear footsteps and gunfire more clearly. Always pre-aim when moving around corners or entering potential hotspots to be ready for enemies. Regularly practice your aim in aim training modes or in custom matches to improve accuracy. Incorporate strafing movements while shooting to make yourself a harder target for opponents. Utilize cover effectively to minimize exposure while engaging enemies. Use grenades strategically to flush out campers or weaken enemies before engaging in gunfights. Avoid staying in one location for too long to prevent becoming an easy target for opponents. Keep moving to make it harder for enemies to track your position. Learn to control recoil for each weapon to maintain accuracy during prolonged engagements. Save kill streaks for opportune moments rather than using them as soon as they are available. Keep track of your ammo count and reload during downtime to avoid running out of bullets mid-fight. Analyze your death to understand what went wrong and how you can improve. Avoid panicking in intense situations and maintain composure to make better decisions. Use suppressors and stealth perks to move around the map without revealing your position. Control high ground position to have better visibility and vantage point over the map. Team up with a friend or ally to watch each other's backs and coordinate attacks. If a gunfight isn't going in your favor, retreat and reposition instead of stubbornly fighting to the end. Avoid distraction and maintain focus on the game to react quickly to enemy movements. Adjust your HUD settings for better visibility and easy access to essential information during matches. Utilize dead silence to move quickly and catch enemy off guard. Pay attention to your health and use healing items promptly to stay in the fight. Analyze kill cams to learn from your opponent's strategies and improve your own gameplay. Keep an eye on the kill feed to know which players are currently dominating the match. And that's how to win more free-for-all matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.